So friends, for your kind attention, we will take a disclaimer. I am not an authorized advisor or broker or research analyst. This discussion is only for the information purpose. I am not suggesting or influencing anyone for any kind of the investment or trade. I am not responsible for any unsuccessful event or moment. Be aware of the market risk before any decision. Thank you. Hi friends, now we analyze Berkshire Hathaway Incorporation (Brk B) for the probable price levels for the year 2025. Before going to the level, we will see some statistics. Its trailing PE is 9.51, forward PE is 23.92, and PB is 1.61. So, in my opinion, these are all the value stocks. So, it has, if they record the positive, so good performances, then the stocks level it might go up. So since now they are partially moderately bullish trend, now they are in moderately bullish trend. Now we will see the price level, the probable price level. These are all my formula. What would be the next quarter? The estimation for the EPS estimation for the next quarter. All these things. So it has the potential to touch up to 1200. We can see here up to 1200, and if it is taking the support, then it may take the support up to 250 range. So these are all the range. How now we will see. I organized all these price in the chart. Now it's say actually the break point. They crossed the break point. Now they are entered into the R1 zone. R1 zone range is 476 to 573, and the midpoint level of this zone is 524. Now they entered into the R1 zone, and again they are taking the correction. Suppose if they are taking the correction, if they are taking any correction, then they can come to or take a support at the midpoint level. If they take the support at the midpoint level, then we can expect it might grow up to 524 and take some correction, and it might go up to 533. I think this quarter, if they record the positive, if they record beyond the its EPS beyond the estimation, then it might touch the top level of R1 573, and it also have the subsequent it also have the growth opportunity for the subsequent period. In such a case, R2 zone is 644 to 777, and the midpoint of this zone is 675. This zone is actually the true break point. If they crossed 707, and we have to calculate the midpoint for every zone. If they crossed the 707, then they have the potential to reach up to 1200. In between the 1200 range, the R3 range is 817 to 955. So first it will take the R1 zone, and it may take the correction up to the midpoint, or otherwise this bottom side of the R1 range, provided they must record the positive and growth EPS performances. They must beat the estimation. They must beat the estimations also. So the R1 range is 476 to 573, R2 range is 644 to 707, R3 range is 817 to 955. If they cross 955, then we shall expect the price up to 1200. Suppose in case if they are taking the correction, and if they breaks the midpoint of 436, if the bearish trend is initiated, and if they breaks the price below the 436, then the support 1 zone is 397 to 321, and the support 2 zone is 256 to 200. I think this information will help you. In such a case, Shankar will be very happy. Please like and subscribe our channel. And if this information will, if you think this information will help to your friends, please kindly share it. Thanks for watching.